Hello friends. The ingredients for making churros are super simple stuff you probably already have in your kitchen. Alright, grab a glass of water, pour it into your favorite cooking pot. Take half teaspoon of salt and add it to the pot. Go ahead and toss 3 tablespoons of sugar in. Now just add 50 grams of butter. Chop it into small cubes if you want. But no big deal if you don't want. Let's add this butter with sugar, salt and water into the cooking pan. Fire up the pan on medium heat. Then give it a good stir to mix things up. Hang tight for the butter to melt. It's speedy, takes about a minute. When the butter and water are on the verge of boiling, grab a cup of flour and dump it straight to the pan. It's right time to add the flour. Take your wooden spoon and get stirring. Whip that mixture like you mean it, fast and furious to avoid any lumpy surprises. At first the dough is gonna be sticky, but keep at it. Mix until it magically pulls away from the pan and forms a smooth ball. That's your 3 to 5 minutes arm workout. It will feel a lot like Play-Doh. Let it chill for 5 minutes. Work smarter, not harder. Cooling the dough before adding eggs prevents them from curdling and ensures they incorporate smoothly. Let's crack on with the eggs. Break one egg into the pan. Give it a good whisk like you are mad at it. Later introduce another egg to the dough. Honestly, I did all the hard work to mix with sieve. After mixing, it will turn into smooth mixture. The final dough should be smooth, silky and shiny to hold its shape, ready to strut its stuff. Toss it into the fridge for a little chill time. Meanwhile, let's whip up a yummy chocolate sauce. Grab whatever chocolate you got laying around. Mix 1 teaspoon of corn flour in half a cup of milk. Make it sure it's all nicely blended. No lumps, just groove. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mixing sugar with chocolate might raise some eyebrows. Fire up the stove to low and melt the chocolate. Trust me, it's gonna be delicious. Let's pour that yummy sauce into a lovely bowl. We are aiming for a smooth chocolate mixture that's subtly tempting and evenly blended with a lovely creamy texture. Truth be told, I could happily gobble up the sauce without the churros. Transfer the dough into a piping bag. If you don't have a proper piping bag, no need to panic. Just grab a regular plastic bag. It might not look professional, but it will get the job done. They might not be as pretty, but they will be just as tasty. Gently squeeze the dough out onto the baking paper for perfect looking churros. But if you are in a hurry, press them straight into the pan. I highly recommend using a French star tip. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. If you are interested in cooking delicious recipes, press the notification bell for my upcoming videos. Turn the heat just below medium. and let the oil warm up for 3 to 4 minutes. Steady bubbles mean it's ready to cook. Snap that paper holding the churros and ease them into that sizzling oil. Watch your fingers, though. Trust me, getting burned is not a joke. Press the paper into the oil, and in a few seconds the churros will float up. Usually takes about 2 minutes per side. Grab the paper tightly enough to pull it out, but keep an eye on it. It's all about that perfect color, not the timer. Fry until golden and crispy. Carefully remove them and let the oil drain. After a couple of minutes, our churros are ready. Now toss them into your favorite bowl or plate. As you are serving royalty, subscribe for more delicious recipes. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to turn on the notifications so you will not miss any upcoming videos. All subtitles are available in other languages. Please enable your subtitle according to your language. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. And now let's dig in our churros right away. The warm, crispy churros dipped in that rich, creamy chocolate sauce. Absolutely irresistible. Thank you for your time. Bye, friends.